You know what? As a shop manager, my customer keep asking me about, can I get some loyalty points, and or can you please give me some discount for when I order more product or a bulk quantity of product? And every time these kind of things are very struggling and juggling in my mind with keeping all of the notes and calculating all of those price. Yeah, seriously, that's a nightmare for me. But in Odoo 19, it's super simple and easy. And let's see how I manage my customers with loyalty points and how I create loyalty point inside Odoo 19. So here is my dashboard, and let's move to the sales module. And under the sales module, there we have our product. Under the product, I can find discount and loyalty, as you can see. And here I'm going to create a loyalty card for my customers. Okay. So let me specify with a name. So let it be loyal customers. And here I'm going to specifying this as a program type. So once I'm click on this option, I can get a drop down menu. Under the drop down menu, I can choose which is my program name. So here I'm going to give the loyalty card. So I'm going to click on loyalty cards, and I can specify the currency. So if I want to change this currency as in AUD, Euro, or INR basis, I can also do that. And here I'm specifying that as USD. And I can also put a price list inside a program. And here I have the point unit. And I can also specify the start in date for this program. And I can also put a limit usage. And this already available on the point of sales and website. So I don't want to change anything from here, but I want to set up some conditional rules on my loyalty cards. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to add the conditional rule as minimum quantity. First condition is once my customer buys above a minimum quantity, which is above 5 quantity, I can give a particular loyalty points on that product. Okay. So here I'm going to customize my condition. So the for minimum quantity is 5, and I can also give the loyalty point when they are purchasing a minimum order. I mean, purchasing more than 50 quantity or 10 quantity. So here I'm going to put that at 10 quantity. So once they are purchasing a product from me above a 10 quantity, I can also give the loyalty cards for my customers. So here I'm done with that, and it's all about the tax included. And you can also, or I can also specify how much points that they can grant to my customer once they are done with the conditions. So here I'm going to provide, 5 loyalty points, and you can also specify with the per order, per dollar spent, and per unit paid. And I can also specify this loyalty point on the basis of a particular product category or a product tag also. So here I'm not going to provide anything. So let me save and close. And I want to set up a reward about the loyalty card or loyalty points. So now I'm going to give a rewards for this conditional rules. So for that, I'm just going to click here and I get a wizard like this. So reward type is on based on the discount, and I can also specify that with the free product or free shipping. So here I'm going to give that as a discount, and let it be 5% discount on ordered quantity. And I can also provide a maximum discount here. Okay. So which is this maximum amount this reward may discount lead to 0 for no limit as well as. Okay. And there we have the points. In exchange of 200 loyalty points, I can give this 5% discount. And under the description on orders, you can just give the description, which is 5% on your orders. And I'm done with that. Let's save. And ta-da, you can use this program, which is a loyalty card, inside any of your customer or any of your sales order once the customer done with all of these conditional rules. So you can provide a 5% discount as a reward to your customer. Okay. So we are done with this. So that's how you can simply create a loyalty card inside Odoo 19 without any struggle, and you can simply satisfy your customer in few clicks. So I hope you all understood this video, and I'll be back with more tutorials like this real case tutorial. So if you have any comments or suggestions, please comment below, and bye-bye.